Building wealth with a low income sounds like an uphill battle, right? It might seem like a daunting challenge, but it's not an impossible one. In fact, it's a journey filled with determination, smart choices, and a dash of creativity. So, if you've ever dreamed of financial security and abundance, stick around because we're about to uncover the secrets of how to build wealth even when your income is on the lower side. Ready to change your financial destiny? Let's dive in. 1. The myth of more. Only the rich get richer rings a bell. This age-old adage has deterred many from even attempting to climb the financial ladder. Yet, the reality is often different from this popular belief. True wealth isn't always about striking gold overnight or inheriting fortunes. It's about nurturing what you already possess, however modest it might seem. It's about transforming every penny, every resource into an asset. Mastery over one's finances isn't a whimsical twist of fate. Rather, it's a consistent journey of acquiring knowledge, understanding nuances, and making informed decisions. The voyage starts not with searching for more, but with appreciating and growing what's already in hand. So, the real question is, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey and defy the myth? 2. Decoding the budget blueprint. Ever feel your money slipping through your fingers like sand? It's a sensation too many are familiar with, but there's a remedy: budgeting. Far from being a burdensome bind, budgeting is akin to a skilled artist's blueprint, a guide to craft your monetary masterpiece. With each delineated expenditure, you're not just passive onlookers, you morph into the maestros of your financial symphony. It's about knowing the channels where your hard-earned money flows and strategically redirecting them for maximum gain. Yet, while mapping out these flows, one often stumbles upon surprising epiphanies. Those daily, often overlooked, trivial expenditures, they could be stealthily draining your wealth reserves. Have you ever pondered how eliminating or redirecting these tiny leaks could supercharge your savings, propelling you closer to your financial dreams? 3. The Coffee Chronicles. That frothy daily latte, the glossy weekly magazine, just minor indulgences, right? Think again. These minute expenditures, when summed over weeks and months, weave a tale of missed financial opportunities. It's surprising how the smallest drips can eventually drain a reservoir. Like a seasoned captain aware of every crevice in his ship, being cognizant of these micro-expenditures is key to staying afloat and sailing smoothly towards your financial destination. A shift in perspective, a minor tweak in spending habits, can spell the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and building a robust savings account. So, after trimming these expenses and fattening your savings, the pivotal question arises: in which sanctuaries can these bolstered savings be sheltered, allowing them to flourish and multiply? 4. Savings, your silent soldier. Have you ever fantasized about a vigilant sentinel guarding your treasure trove? High-interest savings accounts are the unsung heroes in the financial world. Operating quietly in the backdrop, they diligently work around the clock, ensuring each dollar you deposit is not idly sitting but actively growing, battling against the erosive forces of inflation. Their magic lies in the consistent growth they offer, transforming your humble savings into a formidable financial force over time. However, while these accounts are foundational, there's another mystical domain where money doesn't just grow, it flourishes, often at rates that seem almost magical. Are you prepared to delve deeper into this world of financial alchemy, where wealth doesn't just accumulate but explodes? 5. Compound interest, money's magic wand. Have you ever dreamt of planting a tiny sapling and watching it evolve into a lush, vast forest? This vision mirrors the wonder of compound interest in the realm of finances. At its core, compound interest embodies a straightforward principle: your wealth begets more wealth. As interest accrues on both the principal and the accumulated interest, your savings undergo a metamorphosis, snowballing at an accelerating pace. This phenomenon is not just arithmetic, it's geometric, turning time into your most potent ally. While this passive growth is compelling, there's an insatiable urge within many to not merely watch their money grow, but to actively cultivate and nurture it. So, amidst these financial marvels, what tools and strategies await to amplify your wealth-building journey? 6. Investment, the game for all. Ever thought the world of stocks, bonds, and portfolios is reserved for the elite? Think again. Today's financial landscape is revolutionized. Digital platforms and micro-investing apps have democratized the investment arena, making Wall Street accessible from every main street corner. No longer is there a minimum ticket to this wealth-building carnival. Every individual, irrespective of their financial standing, can participate. But entering this domain without a guide can be perilous. The investment ocean, while full of potential treasures, is also riddled with pitfalls. It demands a navigational compass, knowledge. So, as you stand on the shores of this vast ocean, eager but uncertain, where can you find the guidance to ensure your voyage is both profitable and protected? 7. Knowledge, the unspoken goldmine. In a world bursting at its digital seams with information, can turning a blind eye truly be a choice? In today's interconnected era, the keys to the kingdom of wealth are often just a click away. Platforms brim with expert advice, from ebooks to intensive online courses, all elucidating pathways to financial nirvana. Diving into this ocean of knowledge doesn't just mentally elevate you, it translates into tangible monetary progress, ensuring you're not only intellectually affluent but also financially. But it's essential to remember that knowledge isn't just about consumption, it's about application. Harnessing this data and implementing it strategically can alter your financial destiny. The mind, enriched with information, becomes a dynamic powerhouse, driving decisions, shaping aspirations, and sculpting financial futures. As this repository of wisdom stands ready for your embrace, have you pondered how channeling it can architect an empire of wealth, brick by brick? 8. Mindset mastery. Ever felt chained by your own thoughts, imprisoned in self-imposed limitations? Our minds, powerful as they are, can often be our own worst adversaries, especially when confronted with financial challenges. But recognizing and reframing these self-defeating narratives is transformative. Adopting a growth mindset turns daunting mountains into manageable molehills. Suddenly, every failure isn't a dead end, but a detour leading to a better path. But this evolution isn't solely an introspective journey. Our environment, the voices we heed, the company we keep, they all etch indelible marks on our financial psyche. From the media we consume to the conversations we engage in, external factors constantly mold our monetary beliefs. In this intricate dance between internal transformation and external influences, have you considered the profound impact your surroundings have on sculpting your financial destiny? 9. Networking, your treasure map. Imagine standing at the crossroads of countless opportunities, but needing a guide to show the way. That's where the age-old wisdom, it's not what you know, but who you know, gains significance. Building bridges with influential figures, integrating into financial circles, and forging alliances with those on similar quests can turn dimly lit paths into well-lit highways to success. These relationships often provide invaluable insights, shortcuts, and advice drawn from lived experiences. But while these external anchors provide direction, there's an inner compass essential to navigating this journey. It's an attribute that ensures, despite storms or distractions, we remain steadfast, eyes locked onto our goals. Amidst the cacophony of voices and the allure of shortcuts, have you identified the inner strength that keeps you grounded and true to your course? 10. Discipline, the unsung hero. Ever observed a majestic river, consistently flowing towards its destination despite the boulders and bends? That's the embodiment of discipline in nature. While dreams paint a vivid picture of our desires, it's the relentless discipline that propels us forward, turning abstract visions into tangible realities. It's the bedrock upon which habits are formed, choices are made, and successes are built. Discipline isn't about momentary motivation, it's about sustained commitment, even when the initial excitement fades. It's about choosing the path aligned with long-term goals over fleeting pleasures. And as we harness this internal force, steering clear of distractions and temptations, an important reflection emerges. In our relentless quest for accumulating assets, have we paused to ponder what true wealth really means in the grand tapestry of life? True wealth transcends bank balances and asset sheets. It signifies freedom, expanded choices, and a profound sense of peace. It's the luxury to live life on your terms, even if your paycheck doesn't boast multiple zeros. Today's insights are your keys. The doors of affluence await. With these keys now in your grasp, are you ready to unlock realms of wealth you never imagined?